Hi all, here is the job posting from today as on the date 25th September 2020. The candidates, those who want to apply for their suitable positions, do watch this video. Here is an immediate hiring from Haza Consulting for the position of medical professionals. The job location is in Dubai and the salary range is from AED 15,000 plus accommodation and transportation. A minimum of 5 to 7 years of experience is required for this position. Any gender can apply. The contact number and the email ID is provided here so that you can send your CVs. The job description and details are provided here. They are looking for the Dubai Health Authority MOH and HAAD licensed doctors, nurses, laser technicians and physiotherapists. Those who are interested can send their resumes to the given email ID. Next is an walk-in interview for counter sales staff and data entry operator or secretary. It is an entry-level position located in Dubai. Both male and female candidates can apply for this position. The salary is negotiable plus accommodation and transportation. The email ID and contact numbers are given below. You can send your CVs. Here is the job description and details for the position of counter sales staff and data entry operator or the secretary. They should be able to maintain outstanding customer service as per company standards, processing sales quickly, accurately and efficiently, the cash register operations and safeguarding company assets, and they should make sure that each customer receives outstanding service by providing a friendly environment. Those who are in a visit visa, employment visa, cancelled visa and resident visa can apply for this position. Here is an urgent requirement for the position of customer service executive come telecaller or supervisor. Asian nationality is preferred for this position. The job location is in Dubai. Those who have an experience of less than 1 year can apply for this position. Both male and female candidate can apply. The salary range is from 4,000 plus transportation and accommodation. You can send your CVs via the contact numbers and email IDs given below. Here is the job description and job details for the position of customer service executive. They should be excellent in English verbally and written. Their daily task includes providing help and advice to the customer via email and phone, solving all customer issues. They should handle customer complaints and they should issue refunds or any compensations to the customers and should be good in improving customer service procedures, policies and standards for the particular organization and department. Here is the vacancy for general foreman. This is an entry level job with less than a year of experience. Both the male and female candidate can apply for this position. The salary range is from 3,000 plus accommodation and transportation. You can forward your CVs to the given numbers or to the email ID. Here is the job description and job details. Those who have an previous experience in the field of foreman, electrician, AC technician, plumber, mason, helper, welder, fabricator, and pipe fitter can apply for this position. You can send your CVs to the mentioned email ID. Their job details includes preparing the updated work program and cash flow curve and identifying areas of weakness and establishing methods of recovery and managing day-to-day work progress and preparing the weekly and monthly program and report, monthly report reflecting work progress summary and performing the assigned duties from time to time. Hi all, if you find this video really helpful to you, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for receiving daily job notifications onto your phone immediately. If you have any doubt regarding any of these job postings, do let me know in my comment box. Good luck.